Okay, welcome back. I just figured out the RS3L. So you have one finger here and the other one on your left finger here and the other on this side. So let's see what it sounds like. This is another horn salute. And there you have it. That's an RSL. That's an RS3L. Now this one you might know, this is probably more like a K5H. They're more popular for the Canadian National, CSX, the NSYW, and the NW. So it's much easy if you do this. Sorry. Oh my God. There we go. I got it this time. So you have this hand here, this finger here, and it's right here. It really sounds like Canadian National, really. Okay, this one you might know. This is more of a, like a passenger train, like Amtrak. You might know, or like a GP40. Yeah, GP40PH. Like New Jersey Transit, Amtrak, those kinds of locomotives. You might hear this kind. Hold on. I'm sorry. Let me see. Maybe it sounds like Amtrak, but hold on. Let me fix the camera here. That sounds like Amtrak, definitely. Alright. There you have it. Train horn sounds.